Namaste everyone. In this video, I'm going to give you a home remedy to reduce fever in the kids. So if your child is having fever, even the adults are having fever, then you can try these natural therapies. If fever is not getting reduced with this natural therapy, then only you go for medicines. So if the fever is due to any infection, if fever is due to the cold, cough, then you can try this therapy. This is a color therapy where we use black color to do the color therapy, and it is very simple. You can just keep a black color sketch pen or a black color marker. If you have any natural black color, you can use that also. So what you need to do, you need to take your child hand when they are having a fever, and believe me, this is very miraculous therapy because I have tried on many of my students and I've got a very positive feedback that mothers colored their fingers in black in the night and morning the fever got reduced immediately. So try this therapy without just saying that what color will do, but this is very miraculous. What you need to do, you need to take the hand. So you can take both the hands if they have a fever. So in both the hand, on the tip of the hand, you need to color all the fingers in the black. So I am just showing on the one finger. You can do on all the fingers similarly. So see, I have colored this finger in the black. Like this, you color all the fingertips in the black. If you get any natural black color, that is very good. Otherwise, you can use any sketch pen or marker and color all the fingertips. So after coloring all the fingertips, allow the child to sleep and make them sleep nicely, and morning you will see the fever has reduced naturally. This is a miracle of color therapy. I'm going to give you another therapy which is a ice therapy for fever reduction, which also works on the similar point but in a different way, which will work like how you keep the cold water cloth strips on the head. In this video, I'm going to show you a miraculous acupressure therapy which will give you instant relief from the high fever. What you need to do for this acupressure, this is an ice acupressure therapy where you need to take few ice cubes in a bowl and try to put 8 to 10 cubes of ice in a bowl. After putting 8 to 10 cubes of ice, then try to put some cold water on these ice cubes. Now our icy water is prepared. Now once this icy water is prepared, you need to dip all your fingertips of both the hand or one hand in this icy water. What happens here, each finger, the top of each finger is representing your head area. So the same mechanism is working like how you keep the cold water strips on the head to reduce the fever. Same way here, the correspondence point of the head, you're dipping in the water, in the ice water, which is making your fingertips very cold and numb. So this is more faster than the cold water strips we keep it on the head. So try this therapy whenever you have a high fever, or for your near dear ones if they are experiencing high fever, do try this ice water acupressure therapy. This will give you instant relief from the high fever. So try these all natural therapies, color therapy, ice therapy, and believe me, you will see the miracle that you don't need to go for medicine again if you have a normal general fever in your day-to-day life. So that's it for now. If you're looking for any other video or any other topic, let me know in the comment box. And if you get any benefit with these therapies, I want you to update in the comment box because that is going to help many people to get rid of the medicines. And if you're looking for any course or if you're looking for any personal consultation with me, then you find the details in the description of this video. That's it for now. Thank you everyone.